Have you ever wondered how powerful your words could be? Imagine if simply speaking certain phrases could bring you closer to your dream life. This isn't just a fantasy, it's the practice of manifestation through affirmations. Today, we will explore how carefully chosen words can transform your thoughts and ultimately your reality. Whether you're seeking success, health, or happiness, the right words can open doors to new possibilities. Words are not merely tools for communication. They hold the energy to influence our subconscious mind. When we repeatedly affirm positive statements, they begin to rewrite the narratives we tell ourselves. This change in mental script can lead to a profound shift in how we perceive and interact with the world. By affirming what we aspire to be or have, we set the foundation for our thoughts and actions to align with our desires. So, how exactly do words turn into reality? It starts with the principle that our thoughts shape our actions and our actions shape our lives. Affirmations are positive, present tense statements that can help you to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeatedly tell yourself that you possess the qualities you desire, you begin to foster a positive perspective of yourself and your abilities. The concept of affirmations is not new. It has roots in various spiritual and cultural traditions across the world, where the spoken word has always been recognized as a powerful tool for manifestation. From ancient mantras in Eastern spirituality to modern practices in Western psychology, affirmations have been utilized to cultivate not only personal growth but also healing and transformation. This historical blend shows that despite cultural differences, the understanding of the power of the spoken word has been a common thread helping countless individuals achieve their personal and spiritual goals. While we explore the power of affirmations, it's essential to prepare both your mind and your environment for success. Setting the right intentions is not just about deciding what you want, but also why you want it. This clarity will fuel your affirmations with genuine passion and purpose, making them more effective. Start by writing down your goals and the positive outcomes you wish to see. Be specific and ensure these goals resonate deeply with your personal aspirations. Once your intentions are set, consider the space around you. A calm, clean, and organized environment can significantly enhance your mental clarity and focus. It acts as a physical manifestation of the order and peace you are trying to create within. So take a moment to organize your space, whether it's your home or just a small corner of a room. Let it be a sanctuary where you can practice your affirmations without distractions. Now, let's focus on crafting your core affirmations. These are personalized statements that directly resonate with your intentions and are designed to uplift and empower you. For health, you might use affirmations like, "I am full of vitality and my body heals itself naturally." These words affirm your health and vitality, encouraging a positive mindset towards your physical well-being. For those seeking abundance and prosperity, affirmations such as, "Wealth constantly flows into my life and I manage it wisely," can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. This promotes a healthier relationship with money and success. In matters of the heart, using affirmations like, "I am deserving of love and I attract the right relationships into my life," can help reinforce self-worth and open you up to nurturing relationships. Remember, the key to effective affirmations is repetition and belief. Speak these words daily with conviction, and you'll start to see them manifest in your life. With a solid understanding of how to create affirmations and the right environment for them, the next step is implementing these powerful tools into your daily routine. Effective practice of affirmations requires more than just repetition. It demands belief and emotional investment. Start each day by standing in front of a mirror, looking into your own eyes, and speaking your affirmations out loud with conviction. This personal connection reinforces the message to your subconscious, deepening its impact. Consider incorporating affirmations into your journaling practice. Writing them down daily not only helps in memorizing them, but also reinforces their meanings and makes your intentions clear and tangible. Each written word has a commitment from you to yourself, a reminder of your goals and your path to achieving them. To enhance the power of your affirmations, combine them with visualization techniques. Visualization is the process of creating vivid and detailed mental images of the outcomes you desire, paired with your affirmations. For instance, if your affirmation is about health and vitality, imagine yourself full of energy, perhaps running in a park or enjoying a vibrant dance. Feel the joy, the power, and the freedom that comes with excellent health. When practicing visualization, find a quiet place where you can close your eyes and focus without interruptions. Use this time to construct detailed scenarios in your mind where you are living out your affirmations. The more realistic and detailed your visualization, the more emotionally engaging it will be. This emotional engagement is crucial as it is the language the subconscious mind understands best. By combining affirmations with visualization, you create a powerful synergy that aligns your emotional and mental states with your goals. This alignment is what sets the stage for real, tangible manifestations in your life. And achieving true change through affirmations isn't an overnight miracle. It requires dedication and consistency. Think of this process as watering a garden. Just as plants need regular care to grow, so do your affirmations need regular attention to take root in your subconscious. Make a habit of repeating your affirmations at least twice a day, once in the morning to set a positive tone for your day, and once at night to allow these thoughts to percolate during sleep. It's also beneficial to keep track of your progress. Use a journal not just for writing down your affirmations, but also for noting any changes you observe in your mindset, emotions, or circumstances. Over time, these notes can serve as a motivating reminder of how far you've come and the subtle ways in which your affirmations are shaping your reality. While affirmations are powerful on their own, combining them with other manifestation techniques can significantly enhance their effectiveness. One such method is the 5x55 technique, where you write your affirmation 55 times for 5 consecutive days. This practice helps to deepen the impression of your desires in your subconscious and can act as an intensive focus session for your goals. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your routine can elevate the impact of your affirmations. Meditation clears the mind and reduces stress, creating a cleaner slate for your affirmations to imprint on. Mindfulness, meanwhile, ensures that you remain aware and appreciative of the present moment, which is crucial for recognizing and seizing the opportunities that your affirmations may manifest. By integrating these practices, you create a comprehensive approach to manifestation that addresses your goals from multiple angles, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, making your journey towards manifesting your dream life as effective as possible. As we near the end of our exploration into the power of affirmations, remember that this journey is uniquely yours. Each phrase you speak, every positive declaration, is a step towards the life you envision for yourself. The road to manifesting your dreams may be filled with challenges and setbacks, but with perseverance and a positive mindset, these obstacles can be overcome. Encourage yourself daily, not just with your affirmations, but also through self-compassion and recognition of your efforts. Reflect on how far you have come since you began this practice. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Each success is a building block in the foundation of your dream life. If you find yourself doubting, look back at your journal, see how your thoughts have shifted, how situations have aligned, and how you've grown. This reflection can be a powerful motivator to keep moving forward. The words you choose to say to yourself matter significantly. They shape your thoughts, your emotions, and ultimately your reality. By consistently applying the techniques we've discussed, setting clear intentions, practicing daily affirmations, visualizing success, and incorporating complementary methods, you arm yourself with the tools necessary for profound personal transformation. I encourage you to continue nurturing your practice. The journey of manifestation is ongoing and ever evolving. Your dreams and desires might change, and so too can your affirmations and techniques adapt to fit your life as it unfolds. Remember, manifestation is not just about obtaining what you want. It's about continuously growing, learning, and becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you for joining me in this transformative exploration. Start today, because your dream life is not just a possibility, it's waiting for you to speak it into existence.